Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to solve a new problem, that is integer to octal conversion. So we are not going to solve it in the loop, but instead we can use a string class. So let's start. First I would generate a random number. So we'll call it number. I would call the random class names dot okay, next int, but within the range of 1 to 100. This would generate a random number. Now I would create a function, static string get octal of integer. I would pass the number here, number. Next what I'll do, I'll create a string to hold the value, octal string, yes, and then I would say in string dot range. Okay, this time we need the iterate function to iterate over the number, and I would say the second parameter is our lambda function. Okay, take the number, check it's not equals to 0, and every time just divide the number with 8. Then and then yes, okay, now we have to take the map. Okay, take the number and modulo by 8. Then we have to use the map to object to transform the number into string. Value of dot reduce. Inside the reduce we have to say the initial value, it's empty string, and then the empty string and the actual string, the value. We just go and add those values, and what I have to do next is to assign the value. Now I would return the value of the string. So let's get print octal conversion of decimal number is, call the function get and the octal of India and pass the number. So now let's run it and see. So number is 56, integer number, and 70 is our octal number. We can also use the integer dot to octal string function. So for that what I can do, I can use the integer then to octal string and pass the number. See, it's same. So we can create our own function or we can use the inbuilt function. That's all for this video. Hope you will enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.